episode, we're going to show you how we turned an 8-foot metal brake into what we call the Plasma Shear. Hello guys and welcome. I did a completely rookie mistake and I forgot to film the assembly of this, so I'm just going to show you my CAD file and hopefully it makes sense. So right here you can see the torch holder. So the torch is going to go in here, it's going to zip tie, and I'm going to have 2 bolts down there that's going to hold it. If you look, all the bolt holes line up. That's important. Pretty simple. These are mocked in little ZZ20 skateboard bearings. They're just there to mock in. But here and here, it's going to be connected by a giant bolt to the very top. And then in order to make it move, I have a motor mount. I was going to, in this video, show some of the processes to make this like 3D print or put it through my plasma cutter, but I did that. It ended up being about an hour long, so short and sweet for you guys. Here's the motor mount I seem to or plan to have. The motor sits through here. It's going to have a drive gear and 2 idlers on there and there on that hole and that hole. So you can see this is our little control panel we made. It has a really cheap off of Amazon speed controller that just does 0% to 100% of the voltage difference. We got our power button, the potentiometer for that percentage controls. You choose a direction, and then at the very end we have stop switches, so that start button just overrides the start or the stop buttons or the end switches. So you can have it against the end switch, bump that, and it will override it, and it'll start moving. And then you can see right here, this is at 100%. We get about a range of 300 inches a minute to about 5.
60%, 40%, 29, 19%.
So I mean, you can really see that thing slows all the way down to a crawl. Like I said, about 20 inches a minute. And then this is a close-up of the gears running on the 2GT belt.